Hello, I'm Dr. Quentin Tyler, Director of Michigan State University Extension, the first land-grant university in the U.S., the pioneer land-grant. In a world where technology is quickly evolving, it's hard to distinguish facts from fiction. I know I often ask when I see statements about issues or certain images online, is this real or is this even true? But as part of the Extension network, I never question whether my soil has the right nutrients, whether certain foods are safe to eat under certain temperatures, or whether the MSU parking police will allow me to park in a certain space without a permit. The answer is always no, don't park there. Ask Extension offers one-on-one questions and answers from experts within our network of participating schools across the nation. The service started as a key outreach tool in 2006, so we've been around for a while. Connecting people to evidence-based resources to suit their individual needs is what Extension does. Artificial intelligence may be able to write you a song, develop a presentation, or help you write a script. But Ask Extension is real experts with real answers, no AI needed. People can trust that our experts will answer with the proven knowledge and resources of institutions like MSU. Because for more than a century, our mission has and will be to help people improve their lives through an educational process, connecting them with programs, resources, and services generated by our system of amazing faculty and staff.